once again, this is only partial throttle, so I'm going to go ahead and give it full and see what happens. I don't know exactly what happened here, but ooh, definitely got hot. Kind of looks like my wires have actually soldered themselves into the servo casings, which is not a big deal. Those can be easily replaced, except for a few factors. And I think this is going to be a consistent problem with this, especially with this much weight. Between this derrick probably weighs about 27 or 28 pounds, and I think the deck here alone weighs probably about 24, 25 pounds. So that's well over 50